moving up to fourth. Your leader again, car number 22, 33 is in second. Trying to catch up. 22. Driven by Ryan McKee. 17 in third, followed by 21. 42. Now it's 3 laps completed. 33 as well. Oh, something. 22 installed. Oh, 17 can stand up. 33 right now is your leader. I believe 21 is second. Keep him going, 3 more laps. Driven by Richard Wilmot from Middleborough. 33 with 2 more laps. My officials let the know who is second. One more lap to go for 33. Up break for 17. Looks like he broke up in the front end. You guys, that's it. 33 is your winner. We'll find out who is second. What was that? 21 is your second place car, 21. So 21, you come over here as well. Jonathan here is also going to the feature event. It looks like both cars have all wheels still inflated. So they may be ready to go. We do have to have a couple cars towed off the track. 22 and 17. Your winners again, Jonathan Piera from Peabody. Some second place car number 21. Your winner, 33, Richard Wilmot from Middleborough. All right, we're going to get these cars lined up. One more event. It's our feature event, battling 700 for first, 200 for second. Coming up in just a couple of minutes. We're going to find out if these guys, Tim, do they need a little break? Tim Howard? Tim Howard, do they need a little bit of a break or? I believe the tires are all good. They need 2 minutes or? They don't even need to go out? All right, we're going to give a couple minutes, let them cool down. That way you can take your trophies outside.